Hello everyone, welcome to Miscellaneous Box HD YouTube channel. I am your host Arnab, and in today's video I am going to unbox and give my initial impressions and a hands-on video of a product that I recently bought from Amazon India, and the product name is Universal Worldwide Travel Charger Adapter Plug and its color is white. And this plug is you need when if you travel lots from outside of India and any other country like Europe or Japan like countries, because you know that in India we use another our special category of plug, and in Europe or in US or UK or in UK you use a different types of plug. So if you are Indian customers and you have a plug that is have Indian pin, and if you have gone through in UK or US, then you need to buy another plug, means that is a socket through which you can convert your Indian pin into that referred country's pin. So without wasting further much time, let's get into it and see. I will gonna unbox this packet and show you what is the product you will get inside this box. So let me cut this seal first. I haven't opened this packet. You can see some information is present here, and let me just cut it from here, and I'll give you a impressions video what I get inside this box and how is build quality and how you can use it in your life. Actually I have a product that have an UK pin, and that's why I'm not able to connect that plug in my country. And here's the box. Here it's priced around 6,800, but don't worry, I got this around 150 rupees. If you are a Prime member, then you can have to pay this money, and if you are not a Prime member, then you have to pay shipping charges, that is 50 rupees extra, and then the product price is 200. And I will also give my opinion that in this price point, is this product really justified or not. So just open it up from this plastic wrapper, and then we will get the product. So, and one more also thing I want to share you, if you are new in my channel or if you are existing subscriber in my channel, then please like this video, and if you are not my subscriber of channel, then please subscribe my channel, because I will do more such video in my channel so that you will get benefited. And also press the notification icon, so each and every video when I upload in my channel you will get notified it. So taking it from wrapper, you will get this kind of box, and looking from the box I think this will be a very good pin. And now you can ask how I can able to see this, because in local shop I visited a local shop, there I share my subject that I want a adapter that have all kind of plugs that I need, means all kind of plugs that worldwide accepted, and they show me this. But the price they have said me is an extraordinary price, because they said that this price is around 300 rupees, but while I searching this thing on Amazon, I got it around 150, means half price. So purchasing anything from local shop, please make sure that the product that you are purchasing is available in online or not. If available in online, then also get the price, and then compare your price with your offline store, and the price where you can get best deal, you have to buy that product, or you can buy that product. But before buying anything, go into offline store and get that product hands, so that you will not lose your money. So unboxing this product, you will get a beautiful plastic cover. I didn't expect this, because in offline store they doesn't provide this cover. So here is the product, and boom, the product is very good. And here is the plug, that is, I think it is a UK pin, and if you move this, then just press this, and I have to lock this. I'm not able to lock this because something is missing. Okay, don't worry. And this is the European pin, and also Indian pin. They have said here is European, and here is the American pin. So everything you can get, and here is the plug, and You can put any kind of plug, Indian pin or American pin, whatever you have, and you are good to go. So this is the plug itself, and its price around 150. I have already told you, and I have written the link of this product in the description below, so you can go and check it out. And that is not an affiliate link, so I will not get any kind of commission if you buy this product, and you can use any link because I want to show you what's the product that I have purchased. Now let me give the opinion of this product. Is this product justified at the price of 200 rupees if you are not a Prime member, including paying shipping charge, or 150 rupees if you are a Prime member? Will this product justified? And if you live in UK, then this product price around $2.50 or maybe $3. Price vary, you have to check which seller is providing best deal. So is this product really justified on this price segment? I will see, yes, somewhat around this product is justified because you have to find the best deal. But if you get this product around 300 rupees or around $6 to $7, then I think that this product is not justified, because then the price will be very huge. And if you find, or if you wait some days, then you will get better deal regarding your price that you are getting from. So product is good, it is very good quality build wise, it has no issues, and I think it will last several years if you use it moderately. Otherwise you may damage all thing, and there is an surge protector included inside, so if any kind of short circuit happens, then this thing may damaged, so your product will be safe. Don't worry, because you are using this plug for your high valuable items, so you need to protect those, otherwise you know what happened with you. So this is how it is. If you like this video, then please like my video and share my video with your friends, and subscribe my channel, because I will bring more such unboxing video and analytical video, so you will get benefited. And also turn on the turn on the notification icon, so that you will get every video when I will upload. So this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. This is Arnab signing off from Miscellaneous Box HD. Hope you guys see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.